The Forge is a student-run club that is an interdisciplinary makerspace on campus, open to all students of any major for any reason. We also act as a knowledge hub area to point students in the right direction for various forms of manufacturing that we may not have in this room.
It's the largest club on our campus. It's got lots of equipment, and there's always activity going on in Forge. It's full of people who are excited, who want to do things.
Forge supports the academic experience in RPI primarily through the classes that are taken at RPI. So students will create their designs in CAD, and then they'll come into the Forge and say, hey, I need help making this into a reality. And so we'll help advise them on what should be laser cut, what should be 3D printed, and help them get that project to an end goal.
Everyone in here is willing to help with anything. Like, I can ask about a homework question and 3 people will pop up and say, yeah, I know how to do that. Do you need my help? We all joke, we laugh together. It's a great atmosphere.
The Forge is unique in that we don't require any special training, we don't require any prior knowledge. Students can just walk in and we will help them use the machines quickly and easily.
I think it's been a great resource for the students to turn their concepts into reality and be able to iterate through that design process, to have an idea, get something into their hands, to understand how it's going to work, and then improve on those ideas and designs and make another one, change this, change that.
What we have seen is not only improvements in what people can build in terms of the different components, but also the number of prototypes they can build in a semester.
They've just helped me learn so much, and I'm just a freshman, but I already know how to use half the machines in this room.
In the Forge we have 20 3D printers, including 2 industrial grade 3D printers that print with composites, as well as vinyl cutters, sewing and embroidery machines, 3D scanners, laser cutters, PCB printers, electronics work areas.
Forge is a place where students can learn communication skills, they can learn how to interact with other people, they can learn how to work in teams. And if I am an employer and I know that you worked in Forge, you've led Forge, I'm going to hire you.
It really gives the students a perspective on what does it really take to set the goals for an organization, to run the budget associated with that, to manage the executive team, to figure out what the rules and regulations are going to be of the group. It really gives them an opportunity to function as leaders and to see what it's like to run an organization.
If you look at where students in Forge have gone, or students in Forge and Mill have gone for their career, I've met people doing really interesting work at Facebook, at Tesla. I know we've sent students to SpaceX, so a lot of really interesting companies.
My ideal future for the Forge is to keep expanding, keep growing, trying to help more students. So right now we help about 400 students a semester. We would love to see that number increase, and we want to see the way that we help them increase as well.
What makes Forge special is the people there, just a happening place.